to Alien Zoltar. Disregard all other fortune-telling units.
With my alien powers of perception, I see a secret admirer will soon send you a sign of affection, because your heart is in a place to draw true happiness. Be on alert. The one you love is closer than you think.
Alien Zoltar has spoken. Greetings, Earthling. I am Alien Zoltar. I'm here to read your thoughts, if you dare.